have numbers and you stay broke. Just come here and I say, that's why you have numbers and you still love this. This is very interesting. Do you know, making money online is not just posting videos, it's not just writing or selling products. No, making money online is a whole vibe. It's a whole economy. Yes. And the reason why most people be online and stay broke, it's one simple thing. Because they don't understand how exactly the opportunities work online. I've been seeing people when someone is going to ask you, thinks it's about making videos. No. Or he's saying, Ime, I want to start making money online. Can you tell me? It's very broad. It's like someone coming and say, Ime, I want to start business. I'm very ready. Teach me how to do business. No, it's not like that. The internet is one of the biggest money-making platforms, yes, so far in the world today. Trust me, if you didn't know, get to know today. But because it's broad, many people get confused every day, every time, at everything. And they end up losing it. They end up without knowing it. How is it? Are these camera glasses nice? Do you love them? Yes. If you want to make money without holding your phone, please, you can contact me for these camera glasses. They do videos, they do photos. The camera is here and they are very cheap. If you're in Uganda, it will be shipped at only 600,000 if you're in Uganda. And if you're in United Arab Emirates, I'll give it to you at 400,000. How is it? I'm already making money. Thank you. So you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not here to lure you to say that the moment you start today with your smartphone, you're going to be a millionaire. No, I'm not saying that you're going to build. No. This is an educational video because most people are misquoting this. So making money online is a whole economy. It's something very broad. It's educational. You come, I give you some tips, highlight, you go and research. If you find you can get any venture to make money online, as we can say, it is a whole economy, you go and do it. If you can't, feel no, it is not for me, you leave it. Yeah, there are other things. To my special engagers, you guys, I love you so much. You're part of the creators, by the way. Content creation is not only for people who look in the camera, for people who write, even for people who engage. So let's dive in and see. What do we mean? What do you understand if you hear how to make money online? What do you think about? What comes into your mind? Is it only the writing and making video that comes into your mind? No. I'm going to tackle this video in 3 steps. We're going to be focusing how you can make money, real dollars, in 3 different ways online. One is the common one, the one you know, but you don't know also the strategy. It's content creation. Content creation, I'll put it in 2 categories. When you do content, you get your attention, then attention gives you money. This is what we mean. If you have a smartphone and internet, you're already qualified because you have what it takes. Other things that are within you and around you. You can go to TikTok, you can go to Facebook, you can go to YouTube and other more. These ones, they pay you for views which are qualified. No, we have views and unqualified views and qualified views. They pay you for views, they pay you for ads, they pay you for brand deals, and even they will give you gifts, the one you used of. You can also go ahead and do some big live stream. Then you get some beggings. What is your job here in content creation in this? You create content that you love and people love, your audience. 2, you stay consistent. You don't create today and leave tomorrow. Then you learn what works most. Not only looking for, most of you are just focusing on views. You're not focusing on money. That's why you have numbers and you stay broke. Just come here and I say, that's why you have numbers and you still. Let me get to know that. Learn what works. It's not use. The second cluster, of making money online is selling products. Selling, you can sell a product, you can sell a service. You can sell physical products. Did you know that? Some of you say, me, I cannot sell. Why not? Physical products, digital products, and even you can sell your skills. Do you have capital? You're going to say, me now, I don't have capital. How do I start? You don't need capital. Just pick your smartphone. You don't need capital. You can start drop shipping. Do you know what drop shipping is? If you don't know what drop shipping is, put it in the comment section. Got knowledge? If you don't have knowledge, you can get knowledge. And if you have knowledge about anything, tell me anything, I'm sure everybody has knowledge about anything. You can sell ebooks, you can sell templates, you can sell courses and anything. Then we have skills. If you have skills, you can offer services. Editing, writing, managing apps, managing Facebook, graphic designers. What's this? Online money loves value. It doesn't love anything. The more you vary it, the more the money comes. But if you don't vary it, it will not come. Let's see the last. Leverage opportunities. Leverage opportunities. Should I repeat? The leverage opportunities. What do I mean? This is where many people sleep. This is where are they? What are these leverage opportunities? Here we have freelancing, we have affiliate marketing, we have remote jobs, we have social media platforms and managements. These don't require you to start with anything. You can start from zero, just from scratch. What you need is your phone, such that you can promote, you can assist, you can work, you can earn it. Me, I don't know. Again, if I hear someone telling me brandly and say, I want to make money online, come knowing where exactly do you want to make money online. Yes. Listen, you guys. This is a real important tip. Making money online is not magic. Making money online is not magic. It takes a lot of things for you to get money. You have to be consistent. You have to be persistent. You have to learn. Many people quit early because they expect money to come immediately as they start. Can I ask you something? Which business have you started, then immediately you get profit, you get money? Making money online is a long-term investment. It is a long-term game, but rewarding is very good. So don't be there and get overwhelmed. No, don't be overwhelmed. Instead, pick one path among the 3 paths I've showed you. Focus and grow. You can use the internet. You can make content creation. You can sell products or services. You can leverage on opportunities. So you can sit down and say, what do I want to do? So the internet has money every single day. Yes, this is the truth. The question is, have you positioned yourself very well? Let me ask you, since you started internet and you've been there since, what have you gained? Let's follow each other. You'll see me in the next video. Bye-bye.